Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss about an interesting problem which is called longest palindromic substring. So first we will discuss what is this, and then we will discuss about the concept which is involved here, and we will discuss which approach will be the best approach here, and then we will find algorithm, and then we will simply implement it, right? So let's start. Okay, let me first explain why I'm just explaining this, because recently I have been searching about the interview questions. So I found this problem has been asked L2 level in Walmart. So okay, let's start. So problem name is longest palindromic substring. I will link this URL in the description so you can just practice from there. Okay. So given a string S returns the longest palindromic substring. Okay. So first you need to know what is palindrome and what is substring. I think you all know what is palindrome. Palindrome is nothing but it's a string which you read from left to right or right to left. It will always be the same. Just like if I take an example like madam, like this BAB, right? So if you read from left, then it will always BAB, and if you also read from right, then always it will be BAB, right? And another word mentioned here, that is substring. So what is substring? Substring is nothing but smallest part of larger string is known as substring, right? So you know what is palindrome, you know what is substring. So let's talk about this problem. You need to find longest palindromic substring. Okay, just like if I take an example, this BAD, right? Here you first need to find palindrome which is the longest present in this string, right? So BABA and BAB both are palindrome which has a length of 3, right, and present in this string, but you can choose anyone. So its length would be, which will be written as BAB. Okay, output BAB, or ABA is also valid answer, right? So in second example it has been given. Okay, one more thing you need to know here, palindrome is divided into two part. There are two possible cases. Two type of palindrome could be possible. One is odd length, and another one is even length, right? So odd length means just like here ABA, this is odd length, right? Here length is 3, right, which is odd, and here BB means even length, right? Okay, so first discuss which one approach is the best approach, right? So there is a brute force technique where you simply find all possible cases of substrings. Okay, and then you simply check if those strings are palindrome or not. So that is not practically possible, right? So what we will do, we will simply think about okay, there is one approach called expand around center. Remember this name, expand around center, means you are treating every character as a center of that substring, sorry, palindrome, right? Just like here. So what we will do, we will simply treat this B as a center of palindrome, and then we will check if A and this we will simply minus, and we will plus, and then we will simply check, left, right. We have both pointer left and right. Okay, so let's discuss about this example, right? So let me take this example. Okay, so what is the algorithm for expand around center technique, right? So there is only one, right? First find center, and then expand around center. This is very easy, right? So what you need to do, you just need to find this center. You need to treat every character as a center of palindrome, right? Suppose I am here at B, right? So what we will do, we will simply check from left and right, like if B A, right? So A and A, if both are same, then it is a palindrome, right? Then we will check B and D, these are not same, so longest palindrome from this center would be ABA, right? Let's implement this problem. Okay, so here first we will check if the string is empty or null, then we will simply return empty as an output, right? So what if s dot length okay, if s dot length is 0 or s double equals to null, right? So what we will simply return here as empty string. Okay, then after we just need two pointer, right? Left, right. Okay, let left. Okay, okay, instead of left, right, we will start and end, because these will decide indexes of palindrome which is present in that long string, right? So end, so both will be 0 0 as of now. Okay, then simply we will have one function, we can write it here or even inside. What that function will do, it will simply expand from center, right? Let me write that function. So function expand from center, right? So what it will simply have left and right as an argument, and it will check if left less than equal to 0, okay, and right less than, okay, it should be greater than equals to 0, greater than or equal to 0, and right should be s dot length minus 1. Okay, and if s left double equals to s right, it means it is a palindrome, right? So what we will do, we will simply left increment left plus plus, okay, and right plus plus. Okay, sorry, we will simply left minus minus. Okay, what we will do, we will simply, suppose we are here, right? So we have left and right value would be 0 1 2. So 2 is left, 2 is right. Okay, so this would be same, right? So 2 minus 1 equals to 1 and 2 plus 1 equals to 2. Then we will check from these two, right? Left and right. Okay, while we will check until we found, this to be false, right? Then after that we will check. Okay, we will check, we also need to find the longest substring, right? So what we will do, we will simply check if end minus start is greater than or sorry less than right minus left minus 1. Because why I'm just minusing 1, just because we are incrementing from here, right? So right minus left minus 1. Okay, if this is true, then we will simply send start equals to left and end equals to right. Okay, that's it. Okay, then we will simply have to traverse loop. How? For I equals to 0, okay, I less than s dot length, then I plus plus. Okay, here we will simply call this function from both side. Okay, what we need to first check with the odd length, and then we need to check for the even length, right? So for the odd length, we just need to pass I comma I. Okay, this is for odd length, and there is one more we need to find, that is for even. So I and I plus 1. So here we just need to check from this minus 1. Okay, so length minus 1. Okay, and here we will simply return s dot substring from start to end minus 1, sorry, n plus 1. Okay, let's check if it is true, it will solve our problem. Okay, if we run this program, it will tell you, okay, we are getting wrong answer. Let's review our code again. Okay, so we have first checking a string is null and empty, then we are simply returning, okay, start with 0 and with 0, expand from center, left right, okay, left 0 and right less than equals to less than s dot length minus, it should not be minus 1, right? Because we are just using less than. After that okay, so we are decrementing left and we are incrementing right. So we also need to increment left by 1, okay, because we are decrementing, right, and minus 1. I think now it should work fine. Okay, let's check again. Okay, okay, now it all the test cases has been accepted, right? So let me simply submit. Okay, now I am submitting. Okay, okay, it has been submitted. Okay, so friends, where we have seen in this problem, like how we have solved this problem, we are using expand around center approach. So till the next video, bye bye.